Hi guys, my name is Ifedayo. I'm a beauty blogger based in the UK. This is your first time stopping by. I share makeup reviews, so beauty and skincare reviews, some lifestyle content, and comparison videos on here. So if you'd like to see more of that, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. So in today's video, I will share my empties. I have quite a number of empties. Just sharing my thoughts about. I'll just be sharing my thoughts about all the empties I have accumulated over the past month. Sharing my thoughts about them. I just think it's a good way for me to review multiple products and just share my thoughts about multiple products without having to do separate videos. So if you'd like to see more of that, please keep on watching. So I'll be starting first with face care. So the first product I want to talk about is the Byoma melting balm cleanser. This is a melting balm cleanser from the brand Byoma. If you don't know, Byoma is like a UK brand if I'm not mistaken, and this melting balm cleanser contains lipids, contains grapeseed oil, and helps to really cleanse your skin. I find that when it comes to cleansing balms, finding a good cleansing balm that does the job and does not cost an arm and a leg is very, they're far and wide. But this is a really good cleansing balm that does what it's supposed to do. I love when cleansing balms remove all the makeup without making your skin feel tacky or leaving residual like oil on your skin, if you get what I mean, and still takes all the makeup out, and your skin feels like it has been cleansed but does not feel oily or feel, yeah, I don't like all of that. We don't like that here. So yeah, this contains 60 grams of product. I think the only problem I have with this is that I wish it contained more products. It's quite small in there because like this is like just the tube, but then it has a very tiny, like it has like a tiny cylinder in it, so it doesn't contain so much product. But Byoma is an affordable brand, so this is fairly affordable. It costs £12 on Space NK, which is not bad at all. Which is a good price point, especially considering that it's an effective, efficacious product and does what it's supposed to. This is one of the best affordable cleansing balms I have bought. The other cleansing balms that I really like are the one from pharmacy, the one from clinic, and that's as far as it goes when it comes to cleansing balms that I really like. The second product I'll be talking about is the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blood Drops. This released probably earlier in the year. I saw it on trend mode and I grabbed it up. So this contains 30 ml of product. It contains BHA. So what's supposed to do is give the properties of a BHA while also helping to make your pores look smoother and like blur out your skin for a more perfect looking skin in terms of texture. In terms of its effect as a beta hydroxy exfoliant, I would say this is a much more gentlish exfoliant. This does not pack a punch in terms of exfoliating properties. In terms of its pore refining and whether it smooths the skin and makes your skin look more refined, it does that. Like, I do not think this serum is targeted towards me. I think this would be great for someone who has probably more oily skin or probably also has like larger pores, which I do not have. So I just kind of ran through it and use it because I mean I had it already, so I had to use it. So for me, and I think if you do not have any problem with your pores or have oily skin or you do not have acne prone skin, like you all have, especially if you have large, I think this is just a great product if you have large pores and just want to make your skin look smooth underneath your makeup. As a primer, in terms of like underneath makeup, I do not think that this really pulls a punch. So I'm not really stoked about this. I like Glow Recipe. I have tried some of their other products and I absolutely love them. But for this one, it's not life-changing, so to speak. The third product we have from the face care side is the Isntree Ultra Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, this is a good hyaluronic acid serum. I got this from, I think, Stalvana. I think they gifted me this, and it's an amazing hyaluronic acid serums. Hyaluronic acid serums, I think, sometimes are like overhyped because everyone is like, oh, it keeps your skin so hydrated. Obviously, it keeps your skin hydrated, but this is one of the best hyaluronic acid serums I have used. I found that it made my skin really hydrated. With continued use, my skin was less dehydrated, which is something that tends to happen. I tend to have sometimes dehydrated skin, and this really helps with that. Obviously contains different molecules of hyaluronic acid, and it's a really good hyaluronic acid serum. This is probably one of my favorite hyaluronic serums ever. So yeah, it's a good one. I recommend. We'll go on to the body care aspect, and this is quite a bit. So I'm going to start off with Naturium. So this is the Naturium, the smoother glycolic acid body wash. Now, I'll first say that I have the other one as well here. So this is the Glow Getter oil, the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. So I think I should just talk about both of them together. The smoother glycolic acid body wash, this is a body wash that contains exfoliants in terms of glycolic acid to really help to exfoliate your skin and make your skin look smoother. I think that this does the damn job. I think this is so good. Not just because it exfoliates the skin, but I think it's a really lovely balance between being gentle enough that it does not feel irritating and being efficacious enough. It's a very gentle balance, you know. So, and with skincare, especially for me, because I have burns and I have burn scars, this actually did not irritate my skin, and that means it is very gentle. And it was still efficacious, because I could see that the areas of my skin where I had like dryness was actually, it helped to exfoliate those areas. My skin looked better, looked less dull with continued use. I absolutely love this. The glycolic acid body wash, I love it. I'm actually trying to buy all the Naturium body washes so I can do like a video comparing all of them together, but I really like this. The second is the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. It's a nice moisturizing oil-like body wash. I like this body wash because not only can you use it as a body wash, you can also use this as if you want to like shave. It's nice, it's foaming, and without leaving too much of a residue on the skin. It's just a nice moisturizing body wash to go with. Another body care products that I've been using is the Lóccitane shower oil with almond oil. So I bought this because I like Lóccitane as a brand in terms of like buying their products for like layering my skincare and like layering my fragrance. Like I like to use fragrance body products in the shower sometimes when I want to like start, that's beginning step to start my fragrance, my body smelling good. And I think this is really good. It foams up quite gently, not so much of a foam, but gently enough. Leaves your skin feeling really soft, really smooth when you come out of the shower. It smells really good because it contains almond oil, and almond oil is one of my favorite oils. It's actually my favorite oil in body care products, especially in body washes and body lotions. I love almond oil. I love the smell, the nutty smell that is just there, but it's just great for layering your fragrances and your on top of. I think this is really good if you're looking to, and it was actually really affordable. I think it was about £20 for 250 ml of products. Run out of it quite fairly quickly, I think in about a month, and yeah, I recommend. Dove Deeply Nourishing body wash. So this is what it looks like. This is a Dove body wash. I use Dove body washes quite a lot because they are easily accessible and you can find them in most stores, in most like grocery stores, like when you're doing groceries. And I think that this is an okay body wash. It's not my favorite Dove body wash. I think it does the job, lathers up well, and does what it's supposed to do in terms of a body wash, but I do not think it's life-changing. I'm currently using the Dove body wash that contains oat milk and chamomile, and I really like that one. That one is so hydrating, feels really good on the skin, and smells really good. So I like that one. This one, not crazy about. The next empty is the Sol de Janeiro. I've heard that this is pronounced, I don't think I'm pronouncing this right, but the Barzilian for Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I also bought this as a layering product for my fragrance rather than for the body care benefits. It's a nice gel body wash that kind of gives you a nice smell when you your body smells really nice when you come out of the bathroom. But I find that it does not linger, like the fragrance effects, the fragrance does not linger as much as it would with the Lóccitane body oil, with Lóccitane shower oil. But it's also a good, nice, especially if you like the Sol de Janeiro classic scent. It's a nice body lotion, body wash to use in the bath. We'll be going on to like fragrance-ish. So the first two I'll just be going with are the Shore. This is Shore Non-Stop Protection 72-hour Anti-Perspirant, and this is the Shore 48-hour Dry Protection Anti-Perspirant. This is in Uplifting and Fresh, and this is in Bright Bouquet. I've used both of them because I run out of anti-perspirant so quickly because I cannot stand stinking body. I cannot afford to be stinking. So I really like the Shore Anti-Perspirant. I am a Shore girl when it comes to antiperspirants. I find that they work the best, they last the longest, and they do not like when your oil, your body sweat and all of that starts to come through, it does not mix together to form a very unpleasant smell, if you get what I mean. So I really like the Shore ones, and I always run out of them very quickly. So yeah. Another thing when it comes to fragrance is the Kayali Love Fest Burning Cherry. This is actually bought for me as a gift for my birthday. This is the 50ml bottle. Contains burning cherry, raspberry, praline, palo santo, and guaiac wood and patchouli. I think this was the fragrance that made me realize I really love cherry scents. I love cherry fragrances. I don't joke with cherry. I really like cherry in fragrances, and I think it's a beautifully made cherry fragrance. Smells sweet without smelling too heavy or cloying, or mature but sweet. It's a really nice, if you like cherry fragrances, Kayali did their thing with this one. Love it. Another fragrance that I've been using, because I like to buy affordable perfumes a lot, because yeah, that's what's within my budget, and this is Choco Musk from Al-Rehab. I think I bought this because I think Fumi Monet recommended this on either TikTok or Instagram, but this is a nice affordable musky chocolatey musk fragrance that does not smell overpowering, does not smell cheap, and just gets the job done. It lasts about, I should have said this lasts about maybe 5 hours on my skin before it starts to fade away, and this lasts about maybe 3 hours. It's more of an affordable perfume, but I really like how it smells. Until like chocolatey, it smells like you wanna eat somebody. It smells musky but not too overpowering. Love this perfume so much. That I just realized that I did not mention one face care product, and this is the Oodee Halo Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser that is literally targeted towards people who have very sensitive skin type. It's foaming but not stripping. It has a nice, like, it comes out literally as a foam, and helps to keep the skin cleansed without feeling stripped. I think it's a really nice cleanser if you have skincare conditions, eczema or have like chronic skin conditions where you just really want to be sure that cleanser is not going to irritate your skin. Really great. I think Oodee as a brand is a brand that is formulated with hypoallergenic ingredients. So those are my empties over the last month. I hope you found my little tete-a-tete, my little reviews here and there helpful. I will leave the names of all the products I mentioned in the comment section below. If you have any thoughts about any of this product, please let me know in the comment section below. If there's any other videos you'd like to see from me, please let me know also in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family who you think would like it. And thank you so much for watching, because I talk too much, and I will see you in my next video.